Tita Tony. Thank you for the gift. I'm so happy today. Yay! And I love you. Mwah! Tita Tony, this is what I like. A playhouse because it's so big. See? Wait. Just only one door and ingan siya. Nasa ingan ni Tita no, small but nasa sa sulod kato daghan o kani dindot kay siya.
The next day,
Tony, this is what I received that you give to me, and here is. Thank you. Now let's open. Now let's open. Can you thank you for the gift. I'm so I like this so much. Let's get it. Wow. Oh, there's a lot of symbols of this thing. Let's see something. I'm going to symbol all of these. So let's see. Let's help me, my friend. Wait. Here's the symbols. There is it. Purple trees. This is my house. Yay! My house. It's so small, but it's okay. I can just get some online here. Told me.
So ano na lang ka mag-study din ha?
Hari ko to. Thank you so much again, Tita. I love you. Mwah. Hindi makakita ng ulan or something. But gamay lang siya. It's okay. I have two playhouse because ang kanang cabinet